In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up staff accounts in Shopify. This walkthrough will show you how to bring teammates into your store safely without ever sharing your main password, so you stay in control while your business grows. First, open your Shopify admin and head to Settings. From there, click Users and Permissions. Think of this area as your control center for access. It lists everyone who can sign in and outlines exactly what they're allowed to view or change. It's where you manage roles, tighten privacy, and keep a clean record of who's doing what across your store. Next, select Add Staff. You'll be prompted for a first name, last name, and a professional email address. Use an email they check regularly, ideally from your company domain, so invites don't get lost and everything stays organized. Once you save those details, Shopify sends an invitation directly to that inbox. The recipient will create their own secure login, which means you never have to hand over your main credentials. That separation is the foundation of a safer, more reliable workflow. Before you send the invite, set their permissions. This is the most important part. Choose exactly what they can access based on what they'll actually do. If they're helping with fulfillment, turn on access to orders and products so they can manage inventory, process shipments, and update listings. For full privacy, keep finances and settings unchecked. Those areas include sensitive business data and store-wide configurations, so restrict them to owners or trusted managers only. A good rule of thumb is least privilege. Give just enough access to get the job done and nothing more. You can always expand permissions later as responsibilities grow. When you're confident those limits are right, click Send Invite. You'll see their status marked as pending until they accept and complete their login. From this same Users and Permissions page, you can monitor who has joined, adjust access if roles change, and, if needed, revoke access with a single click. That control helps you respond quickly if someone changes teams or no longer needs to be in the store. And that's it. By inviting staff through Shopify and tailoring permissions, you get efficient collaboration without risking your most sensitive data. Keep your owner password private, review access periodically, and your team will be set up to help you move faster, stay organized, and grow with confidence. Safe collaboration is smart business, and now you're ready to do it the right way.